Have you ever wondered how the ancient world managed to keep their health and wellness in check without the modern pharmaceuticals we rely on today? The secret lies within the vast world of herbal remedies and essential oils. Today we delve into the wisdom of the Green Witch, exploring her extensive collection of herbal recipes and discovering the wonders of essential oils. Imagine the scent of lavender wafting through your home, not from a synthetic air freshener, but from the pure essence of the plant itself. Essential oils capture the very soul of a plant, its aroma, and therapeutic properties. They can uplift your mood, promote relaxation, and even aid in treating various ailments. Step into the Green Witch's herbal haven. To start with, we'll talk about lavender essential oil. Extracted from the aromatic flowers of the lavender plant, it is one of the most versatile oils. A few drops in a diffuser before bedtime can promote better sleep. Combine it with a carrier oil like almond or jojoba, and you have a soothing massage oil that eases muscle tension. Next, we uncover the secret of peppermint essential oil. Derived from the peppermint plant, it's a great natural remedy for easing headaches and boosting energy. Inhale it straight from the bottle or add it to a diffuser to reap its benefits. Now, let's turn to the realm of herbal remedies. The Green Witch's recipe for an immune-boosting herbal tea is a treasure trove of wellness. Combine equal parts of echinacea, elderberry and ginger. Steep this blend in hot water for 15 minutes, strain, and then savor the flavors of health and vitality. Another cherished recipe is the calming chamomile and lavender tea. Simply steep 1 teaspoon each of dried chamomile and lavender in hot water for 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy this soothing concoction before bedtime for a peaceful night's sleep. To wrap up, we've journeyed through the aromatic world of essential oils, starting with the versatile lavender essential oil known for promoting sleep and soothing muscle tension, followed by peppermint essential oil, a natural remedy for headaches and a great energy booster. We've also delved into the Green Witch's herbal recipes, brewing up an immune-boosting tea with echinacea, elderberry and ginger, and a calming chamomile and lavender tea for a restful night. Remember, the power of nature is immense, and by harnessing it through herbal remedies and essential oils, we can cultivate wellness and vitality in our lives. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the green world around you.